Okay, I'm in the middle of getting ready for a blizzard right now. I'm going to be changing spark plugs, oil, and belts on a few of these snowblowers. Got the little heater going to take some of the chill away, but yeah, just want to get all these ready. Got all my flashlights and lanterns charged up, so we're ready with that. Now I'm just starting on the Simplicity right here. It needs a new spark plug. I already changed the oil in it, I think last week. So now I'm just changing the spark plug. This one I just changed the oil in, the Aaron's Deluxe 24. And its spark plug is pretty much new, so I'm not going to be changing that. Probably not going to be doing anything with the Troy Built today. The Toro Power Clear, it's pretty much always ready to go. It's just a 2-stroke. Going to be changing spark plug and oil and belts on the John Deere 1032 right here, because I'd like to be able to use this one. It's nice and wide. And then here on the Toro 524, I'm going to be changing the oil and the spark plug. It's got a 5 horsepower Tecumseh engine. Simplicity has a 7 horsepower Tecumseh. And this 1032, which would have originally come with a 10 horsepower Tecumseh, only has a 7 horse on it right now. Somebody did an aftermarket job on this. So, and the Simplicity Snowbuster right there, we're not going to be doing much with because the transmission needs work. It does run and it moves under its own power, but it is super hard to push around when the engine isn't running. And as you can see, the cable for the chute direction is kind of messed up. It works a little bit, but I want to get that fixed before I use it. So that one's probably not going to have anything done with it today. So let's I'm going to get started on the Simplicity, and then we'll move over to the Toro right here, make sure its oil's changed, and then last I'll do the belts and the oil and the spark plug on the John Deere. So here's the old spark plug out of the Simplicity with the 7 horse. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. Let's try and get it to focus up close. It's one of these E3 Diamond Fire spark plugs, and as you can see, it's got a lot of crap on it, so I'm glad I'm changing it. I'm just replacing it with a regular Champion RJ19LM spark plug. No more of this Diamond Fire stuff. And now for the spark plug on the Toro 524. Someone did paint this entire thing red at some point, and they got some on the spark plug, as you can see. Well, this is great. That spark plug was literally finger tight, and I had actually run it before when it was like that, so yeah, I'm gonna make sure the new one's nice and tight. That's pretty bad. Here is a look at the old spark plug. It's not that bad, it's just pretty carboned up. Okay, the spark plug is done in the John Deere. Now I'm going to start changing the oil on the Toro 524. It's got a nice long drain spout on it, so should be pretty easy. Oil is changed in the Toro, so it's all ready to go. And I'm just dumping the oil from the John Deere. This is the second water bottle that I've had to put here. It looks like it's slowing down, so it should be almost done. And the oil I'm using, if you're wondering, is Royal Purple 5W30 full synthetic. So, yep, I like to use full synthetic in my engines because I use them for my snow removal business, and they get a lot of wear and tear on them, so I think it's a good thing to use synthetic. So I'm in the midst of replacing the belts on the John Deere. It was pretty easy to get this apart. The old belt was so loose that it just slid off the pulley. And there's only 2 bolts, one on each side holding the snowblower together on top, so I was able to separate it easily. And I'm going to probably replace the traction drive belt too, just because I have it open. But the auger belt was really bad, so let's get this done. So I got both new belts in. They're much tighter than the old ones, so this should work a lot better than it did before. Oil's changed, spark plug is changed. So I'm just going to put the cover back on and this thing should be ready to go. And I'll run some of these. Alright, we're ready to start this one. I'm going to prime it a few times. Well, I don't know why the auger stays spinning, even when it's not engaged. Maybe one of those belt tensioners is too tight. I don't know, but I'm not really that concerned about it anyway, so let's go ahead and start the Toro up next. Doesn't like to run with the choke off. Smells like stale gas, so I'm probably just need to run some fresh gas through this and it'll run just fine. So yeah, that's it for this part of the video. Thanks for watching.